Are you tired of scrubbing your floors and tiles the old-fashioned way? Well, today we are unboxing and testing out the HOTO Cordless Spin Scrubber, a cleaning tool designed to make your life easier. Let's dive in! Inside the box, you'll find the HOTO Spin Scrubber itself, 6 versatile brush heads for different surfaces, a charging cable, and an instruction manual. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it easy to handle even during extended cleaning sessions. This scrubber boasts a powerful 2.5 Newton-meter torque, ensuring deep cleaning even for stubborn grime. To turn on or off, press and hold the power button for 1 second. To change the speed, press the power button quickly. When the battery level is less than 20%, a red LED indicator light remains on to remind you that battery level is low. It's designed to do the heavy lifting for you, saving time and effort. The HOTO Cordless Spin Scrubber is a game changer for anyone looking to make cleaning easier and more efficient. This is how you connect the telescopic rod to the brush body. Hold the brush body and the lower tube of the telescopic rod. Rotate the lower tube of the telescopic rod clockwise about 1/4 of a turn. And you can connect the telescopic rod to the brush body. Align the square hole on the brush head seat with the square joint of the brush spindle and press it in to lock it. Now, let's put it to the test. We're starting with the flathead brush for scrubbing tiles. Whether it's the bathroom, kitchen, or outdoor areas, this tool handles it all. Remember to choose the right brush head for your cleaning task and apply just enough pressure to let the scrubber work its magic. The battery life? Impressive enough for a full cleaning session on a single charge. It's IPX7 rated, so you don't have to worry about water damage. And the cordless design means no tangled cords or restricted movement. Switching to the corner brush head, you can tackle those hard-to-reach edges with ease. When you open the tail cover, you can see the USB-C charging port. While charging, both indicators blink. If you're interested in trying it out, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you would use this amazing gadget.